Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the connection. Sign into the same Apple ID on both Mac and iPhone, then enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This lets devices find each other automatically. Next, open System Settings on Mac and Settings on iPhone and turn on iCloud for the apps you plan to sync, because iCloud is the syncing engine. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and unlocked, so you can continue to pairing and syncing steps. Now configure detailed sync options so data flows correctly. On your Mac Open System Settings, go to Apple ID then iCloud and enable Photos, Contacts, Calendars, and other services you want. On the iPhone, mirror those same iCloud toggles in settings under your name so both sides agree. For music, files, or backups not handled by iCloud, connect the iPhone to the Mac and use Finder or iTunes on older Mac OS to select content and enable sync over Wi-Fi. This ensures large files transfer reliably without cloud delays. Complete the process by verifying that content appears on both devices. Check Photos, Contacts, Notes, and the Finder sync status. Look at timestamps and recent items to confirm transfer. If synchronization seems stalled, force a sync by toggling the relevant iCloud service off then on, or reconnect the iPhone with a cable and click Sync in Finder. If issues continue, sign out of your Apple ID on both devices and sign back in. Then restart them. This resolves most authentication or service glitches without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.